And not because we would wish to lock Nairobi. It's because Nairobians have refused to social distance. Nairobians have refused just to wear a mask. And we are saying it is for your own life, your own life. You find people in a grocery, for example, where mama mbogas are selling. Everyone is crowded there. Even those who understand what COVID is are the ones who are going to buy, but you'll find all of them there. Going forward, even as the county assembly, we have said we are partnering with Lancet, and anyone who comes around City Hall, you are going to be taken through the same measures we are putting in. We will have someone from Lancet to also ensure, check you, whether you have or you don't have. You must walk around City Hall with a mask. You must, if we are coming in, we are even saying, as much as the workers are fighting, we realize those who are coming to pay rates also just come and just do their lines. And they are very long lines. We also have to start taking in consideration that whenever they arrive there, they must wear a mask just to protect them, because we don't know. Yeah.